Welcome to Ganic Yog Smart School's IT department, the hub of cutting-edge technology and innovative methods of learning. As you step into our department, you will be introduced to a whole new world beyond traditional computer education. Our team of skilled and experienced professionals is dedicated to shaping a brilliant and advanced future for all. With state-of-the-art facilities and a dynamic curriculum, we strive to provide our students with the necessary skills to excel in the digital age. From coding to cybersecurity, we cover a wide range of topics that will equip our students with the knowledge and expertise required in today's constantly evolving technological landscape. Join us on this exciting journey as we prepare you for success in your future endeavors. Welcome to the forefront of IT education at Ganic Yog Smart School. At Ganic Yog Smart School, we take computer courses to the next level by going beyond the basics. Our courses are designed to not only teach you the fundamentals, but also equip you with advanced knowledge in various areas of technology. You will master MS Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, as well as delve into cutting-edge technologies such as online faculties, programming languages, website development, and artificial intelligence. We believe that being computer literate is not enough in today's rapidly evolving digital landscape. Therefore, we ensure that our students are at the forefront of technology and equipped with skills that will make them stand out in any industry they choose. Join us at Ganic Yog Smart School and become a tech-savvy individual who is ready to take on any challenge with confidence.